Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a science project. I'm going to be doing a volcano project. Here are the materials I need. Baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, and soap. I'm not wearing glasses, but
safety goggles.
But you guys, if you're doing this, wear safety goggles. And so let's get started. So first, we're gonna add the baking soda. Put it in this volcano. Now we're gonna put the soap. Now put the food coloring. I picked the red. I don't know if you guys are gonna do a different color, but I picked red. Okay, put 4 or 5 drops of food coloring. Now we're gonna do the vinegar. It's gonna make it explode, I think.
I think you should do it standing up.
Huh?
Just in case. Stand up just in case.
Okay, so I will stand up just in case. I'm gonna pour a little. Oh, it looks like blood. It looks like blood. Guys, do you see that? That looks like blood. Well, I guess nothing happened. Just spread out all over the place. Hey, the volcano's moving. But I think that's gonna be the end of the video. Subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up.
How about you give us a little fact on volcanoes?
A little fact that I learned about volcano is that it shoots out gas, rocks, red liquid, and some other things. But that was my fact. Subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up. Bye!